What's up, guys? Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm making a creamy beef macaroni and cheese casserole. You do it on top of the stove. It's got onions, beef, macaroni, cheese, cream of mushroom soup, all that good stuff. Enjoy it. Make sure you like the video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get this going. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them down below. I'll be glad to get back to you. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. On top of the stove, you're going to boil about 4 quarts of water and cook some elbow macaroni. The recipe originally calls for half a box, but I cooked the whole box, but only cook it for half the time it says. I think it's at 11 minutes, so I cooked it for about 5 minutes. Now, in a big pot on the stove, you want to put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil or just regular cooking oil. And you're going to sweat 1 small onion, small to medium onion that's been chopped. And you want to just sweat that till it becomes a little translucent. Once you get your onions to the point you want them, where they're kind of translucent, you're going to add about a tablespoon of oregano and also salt and pepper to taste. And I like a lot of pepper. And you'll also want to add about a teaspoonful of granulated garlic. You'll want to taste later and add more, but let's start with that. Once you get that mixed together, you're going to add 2 28-ounce cans of tomato puree. This is not tomato sauce, tomato puree. Get that stirred together and just let it simmer. While your tomato sauce is simmering, you're going to brown 2 pounds of ground beef. Once it's browned or almost brown, I added about 1/4 to 1/2 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, depending on what you like, and about a teaspoon of seasoning salt. Cook that and drain any excess fat. to your tomato sauce, you're going to stir in your ground beef that has been drained and seasoned. Mix it together well, and remember to drop your heat. This will splatter everywhere. At this point, it tastes kind of like raw tomatoes, so you want to taste it for seasonings. I did add about another teaspoonful of oregano and a couple of tablespoons of sugar to cut the acidity. One thing I forgot to show you is I do add about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir it well. Taste it again for seasoning. Again, it's going to have a little raw taste because of the tomato puree, but once it cooks, it'll lose that. I do find the tomato puree to be a little acidic, so might need some more sugar. And you're going to put a lid on that, drop it to really low simmer, and let it cook for about 30 minutes. At about the 30-minute mark, I tasted it for seasoning, and it was a little sour, so I added some more sugar to it. Added about another teaspoon of garlic powder. It needed that. Now you want to add about a teaspoon or a tablespoon to your taste of Italian seasoning. Once it's cooked for about 30 minutes, you got your seasonings where you want it to be, you're going to add half of the half-cooked pasta. And the reason you half cook it is because you want your tomatoes to be absorbed into the pasta. And once that's cooked about 30 minutes with the pasta in, we're going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. And also add about a half a cup to 1 cup of canned milk. And to that mixture, you're going to add about 1 cup of a medium shredded cheddar cheese. You'll want to prepare a baking dish by spraying it. And pour in your macaroni, cheesy, creamy beef mixture. And on top of that, we're going to add about a cup of cheddar cheese. And then about a cup to 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. This is where I made a mistake. I got the low-fat mozzarella cheese instead of the real stuff. Make sure you get the real mozzarella, not the low-fat. You're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree oven and let that cook for about 30 minutes. Make sure you keep an eye on it. Mine came out a little dark. But again, that was the low-fat cheese. That's it, guys. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. Again, don't cook it so long to let it burn on top. It was good anyway. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, make sure you put them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and watch my other videos. You guys have a great day.